Lawal. Point for Sacred Heart College. Alangayam Apex. Point for Sacred Heart College. Serve. A very good block by Apex team. Service by Effect team. Alangayam 2-1. 2-1. 2-all. Point for Apex team Alangayam. Yeah, I'm taking a point. Point for Sacred Heart College. 3-all. Point for Sacred Heart College. Service by Sacred Heart College 4-3. 4-all. Five all. That's a very good block. 6-5. Seven, 5. A very good smash by FX team Alangayam. 6-7. Service by Sacred Heart College. 8-6. Point for Sacred Heart College. 9-6. That's a very good taken by still the leading pointers for SHC. Service. A very good drop by FX team Alangayam. Service by FX team Alangayam. 7-10. Good smash. 7. That's a good smash. Service by FX team Alangayam. 8-11. The point is 8-11. A very good smash. Service by Sacred Heart College. 12-11. 12-8. Point for FX team Alangayam. 9-12. Good smash. Point for Sayrod College. 13-9. 13-9. A very good smash. Point for Sacred Heart College. 14-9. That is 14-9. Service by Sacred Heart College. Point for FX team Alangayam. 10-14. A very good service. A very good smash by Sacred College team member. Side change for each team. 15 point added. Sacred Heart College. Service by Sacred Heart. அடுத்த மேட்ச் வந்து தொரையேரிக்கும் புத்தாகரம்க்கும். Point for Sacred Heart College. 17-10. Point for Sacred Heart. Service by Sacred Heart College. 18-10. 18-10. Point for FX team Alangayam. A very good smash by Sacred College. Service by Sacred College. 19-10. 19-10. 11. Sorry. 11. $12-19. 12-19. Good gameplay. 13-19. 13-19. The ball is out. The point goes for FX team Alangayam. Service by FX team Alangayam. 14-19. 14-19. Point for FX team Alangayam. Service by FX team Alangayam. 15-19. 15-19. Good smash by Sacred College. Service by Sacred College. 20-15. 20-15. That's a good service by Sacred College. 21-15. 21-15. A good drop by FX team Alangayam. பதினாறு 21. Point for Sacred College. 22-16. A very good smash. FX team Alangayam. 17-22. 17-22. Good service. Good smash. Point for Sacred Heart College. 23-17. Good smash and a good block. Point for FXT Malangayam. Service by FXT Malangayam. 18-23. 18-23. Good drop. Service by Sacred Heart College. 24-18. Twenty-five 18. Good block. Again, service by Sacred Heart College. 26-18. 26-18. Point for FXT Malangayam. 19-26. Point for FXT Malangayam. 20-26. 27-20. மூணு பேர் பிரதர் கொஞ்சம் பிரதர் கொஞ்சம் இப்படி வந்துடுங்க. உள்ள உட்காருங்க. சேர் இருக்கு, உள்ள உட்காருங்க. டேய் கொண்டாந்து சொல்றான். 8. Point for FXT Malangayam. 23-29. Point for FXT Malangayam. 24-29. 24-29. Match won by Sacred Heart College. Congratulations.